Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will explain how to build your financial foundation. First, assess your current financial health by understanding your income and all your expenses. Next, define clear, achievable financial goals, whether they are for short-term savings or long-term investments. Finally, develop a detailed budget to meticulously track every dollar, ensuring you know exactly where your money is going each month. This initial step is crucial for gaining control and setting the stage for future growth. Once your foundation is set, focus on smart strategies for growth. Aim to save a minimum of 15% of your income consistently, making it a non-negotiable part of your financial plan. Diversify your investments across various assets, with low-cost index funds or exchange-traded funds being excellent choices for long-term growth. Additionally, aggressively tackle any high-interest debt, like credit card balances, to free up more capital for saving and investing. These steps accelerate your journey towards financial independence. Protecting your financial future is just as important as building it. Establish an emergency fund that can cover 3 to 6 months of essential living expenses, providing a crucial safety net. Ensure you have adequate insurance coverage, including health, life, and property, to safeguard against unforeseen events. Finally, make it a habit to regularly review and adjust your financial plan. Life changes, and your plan should evolve with you to remain effective and aligned with your goals. To sustain long-term wealth, continuous learning is key. Keep educating yourself on personal finance and investment strategies to make informed decisions. For more complex financial situations, consider seeking advice from a qualified financial professional who can offer tailored guidance. And speaking of valuable resources, there's a fantastic book that can truly change how you think about money. Make sure to check the description below for a link to that book, along with other helpful deals and resources to support your financial journey. Keep building.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.